Alright, I'm back at 69 because I had trouble on this one the first time I did it on the wet day. There's a couple off-camber hill climbs right out of creeks, and I ended up having to push it or go around. So now that it's dry, I'm gonna see if I can get my revenge on Trail 69. Oh, gotta turn that auto up. I'll do that back in the truck. This is one of those spots. Yeah, absolutely no problem in the dry. I had to get off and push there in the wet. And right there, I think. It's crazy how different things are in wet and slick conditions.